Alright, so we got the 3 windows in, and remember I said before we put that picture window over there? Like, it looks a little weird from the outside kinda, but we did it because I can see right down the driveway. If I can show you, look, like, that's kind of not looking where I want it to. See, you can see out this window right down there. And also, like, the living room will be like over in this section, so that'll make it good. And then the other window far over there on the other side, that one over there, if you can see right, that far one, that one will be like lined up with the dining table on that side, right? So hear that rain? It's like super rain right now. Good thing we got the roof on and everything's dry. It's good. But so we got those in, and that gable is all sheeted in now. Then we just got to cut out the vent at the top. If I can show what I'm talking about up here, obviously from the outside though. Cut that out and then put it in. So that's it, really, that I can think of. Oh, and we got like something else we decided to do. You'll see in the next video, like a surprise kind of. So check that out. All right, so if you're new here, we're building an off-grid cabin. Like, subscribe, hit the bell if you liked it. If you want to follow along, subscribe. And we're gonna do. We got lots to do on the inside too, so if you want to follow along, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and you can check out what we've done so far in like these playlists and stuff. And you can also see what we're going to do by checking out the next video. So, see you in the next one. Is that one that have little thorns on them? There's some dark, eh? Because they finally got rid of that winter coat. Little ones.